everyone, welcome back to Marvellouss Beauty World. This is your lady here, Mommy. Since we are going through winter, I wanted to share some nice tips on vitamin C in our body. Vitamin C is very important in our body. Help us boost our immune system. It protects us against some free radicals. So vitamin C is very important in our body. If you don't use it, guys, please try to introduce it in your everyday life. It's really good. You can use it as a food supplement, so I've got this one I normally use. So I normally take it two after my meal. It's 100 grams, so it's vitamin C, so it's like food supplement. If you want food supplement, you can have this one, but if especially winter time, because it's cold, so you need a good amount of vitamin C in your body, so just for your body to fight all of these cold cough, those small illness. So sometimes you can use it. Is even really good on your skin, because it's energizing your skin, boosting, remove all the dull skin. It just gives you a nice hydrating skin. So you can use a body mist, this one. So you just shake it, and then you just go ahead and then spray it all over your face. It's really nice. So it's up to you, honestly. You can use the body mist, you can use it on food supplements, or you can use it on fruit, oranges, lemons, pineapple. We've got a lot of fruit which help us to boost our immune system, to boost our vitamin C. So just try to use it as much as you can. Since winter is coming, we don't want you to be poorly, we don't want you to be cold. So I also discovered this Dove caring bath. If you watch some of my videos, you see I use a lot of Dove's products. So this one is the caring bath. Is really nice, especially winter time. If you have dry skin, flaky skin, this one is the good one, is the best one. If you use it, it's gonna help you to get rid of all the dull skin, just give you a nice soft skin. Even though it's winter, we don't want our skin to be dry. We just want to have some nice glowy skin, there. So you let me know if when it's winter time, you try to introduce some new products on your beauty basket, or you take out some, or you add. Let me know, please. I would like to know, because sharing is caring. I always say that. So today was just something short that I wanted to share with you, some beauty tips on vitamin C. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your time. I do appreciate. Thank you for subscribing. Keep sharing the video, subscribing. Maybe this video might be not for you, but it might be for your auntie, cousins, family. So you just please do it. Help us grow. Let's grow together, have this nice journey together. It will be lovely. So I'm sharing those brushes as well. So I've got the Louis Vuitton, I've got Dior, I've got Chanel, I've got different brands, and then these nice earrings up here. So if you're interested, please send us a message. Christmas is coming. Give someone a nice treat, or give yourself a treat. So we love you so much. We see you until our next one. Bye.